students, welcome back to the another session of Satyanarayana Study Circle. Today we are going to learn about derivations of curved surfaces formula. This is students diagram most important. First of all diagram important. Okay. Next first point students, consider a curved surface separating two media of refractive indices n1 n2. Here see, this is n1, this is n2 students. Okay, separate here medias, first media, second media. Right, next a point object is placed on the principal axis at point O. Here see, this is students, this is principal axis. Here object O means object students. Okay, the ray which travels along the principal axis passes through the pole undivided. Here see, this is first ray, here principal axis. This is principal axis, student. Okay, through principal axis. Here second ray students. Here see, this is second ray. This is first ray, this is second ray. Second ray which form on angle alpha. Here see, angle alpha with a principal axis meets the interfaces at A. Here see, interfaces at A. Second ray, here interfaces A. Here interfaces at A. The angle of incidence is theta 1. Here angle theta 1 students. Theta 1. The ray bends and passes through the second medium along the line AI. Here see, here bend after here see reflected, here meet. Okay students. Okay, the line AI, the angle of refraction is theta 2. Here see, this is theta 2. Theta 1 here, this is theta 2. Right? Angles. Theta 1, theta 2 angles. Don't confuse. Theta 1, theta 2 angles. Here theta 1, here theta 2. Right. Next students. The two refracted rays meet at I. Here see, two rays. First ray, second ray, here meet I. The two refracted rays meet at I, and the image is formed there. Here image formed, students. Okay, right. Next students, let the angle made by the second refracted ray with principal axis be gamma. This is gamma. This is gamma, and the angle between the normal and principal axis be beta. This is beta, this is gamma, this is alpha. Okay, alpha, beta, gamma are Greek letters students. Most important. Don't forget. Right? Next, from figure PO is equal to U. Here see, PO is equal to U means students, object distance. PI is equal to V. Yes see, PI is equal to V, small v. V is equal to image distance. This is image distance students. Object distance here image distance, object distance. Don't confuse. Right. Next to PC. Yes see, PC R, capital R, radius of curvature. Students, radius of curvature. And N1, N2. Here see, N1, N2 are refractive indices of the medium. Here first medium is second medium. Okay students. Next students, from triangle ACO. Here see, A students, CO. This is triangle. Observe, ACO triangle. Theta 1 is equal to, here see student, theta 1 is equal to alpha plus beta students. Theta 1 is equal to alpha plus beta. Okay, next to another triangle. Triangle ACI. AC students, CI. This is triangle ACI. Another triangle. Beta is equal to, here see, beta is equal to theta 2 minus alpha. See, beta is equal to theta plus gamma. Okay, beta is equal to theta 2 plus gamma. I want theta 2. Theta 2 is equal to, see, beta minus gamma, right? Okay, understood? Next, the most important point, students. According to Snell's law, we know n1 sin theta 1 is equal to n2 sin theta 2. Most important, students. According to Snell's law, we know n1 sin theta 1 is equal to n2 sin theta 2. Next, substituting the values of theta 1, theta 2, we get here, see, theta 1 value alpha plus beta. Right, students, theta 2 value beta minus gamma. Right. Yes, students, n1 sin alpha plus beta plus n2. Let's see, n2 sin theta value, here you know, beta minus gamma. Right. Okay. As per Paraxil approximation, yes, this is students. Okay, as per Paraxil approximation, sin alpha plus beta is equal to alpha plus beta. Next, and sin beta minus gamma is equal to beta minus gamma. And yes, therefore n1, students, n1 gamma plus beta. Here see, right, is equal to n2. Here sin beta minus gamma, beta minus gamma. Right, yes, students, n1 into alpha, n1 alpha plus n1 into beta, n1 beta is equal to n2 beta minus n2 into gamma. This is equation 2, students. Okay, n1 alpha plus n1 beta is equal to n2 beta minus n2 gamma. Second equation. This is second equation. Right. Next, students, since all angles are small, we can write here tan alpha is equal to an by no. Is equal to alpha, students. See diagram. Next, tan beta is equal to beta. An is equal to nc. Nc is equal to beta. Yes, see, student, diagram. Next, tan alpha is equal to an by ni is equal to gamma. Yes, see, this is gamma, right? Alpha, beta, gamma. Right, here substituting, students. Right, alpha, beta, gamma value here substitute, students. Equation 2. n1 alpha means an by no plus n1 beta value, students, an by nc. Beta don't write. Next, is equal to same. Next, n2 beta value, students. Here see, an by nc minus write down. Next, n2 gamma value, students. Here see, an by ni. This is equation 3 according to diagram. Students, n1 into an no plus n2 an by nc is equal to n2 an by nc minus n2 into an by ni. Equation 3rd. Right. Next, students, as the rays move close the principal axis, the point n coincides with P. Yes, see, this is N, this is P, coincident. The point N coincident with P. Okay, students. Yes, see, NO is equal to PO. Yes, see, NO is equal to P. Okay, students. Next, NI is equal to PI. Right, next, NC is equal to students. NC is equal to PC. Right. Next, students. N1 by PO plus N1 by PC is equal to N2 by PC minus N2 by PI. Next, students, here see, here N1 by PO plus here minus plus, student, N2 by PI is equal to N2 by PC. Here change amma, N minus N1 by PC. Students, right, next to N1 by PO plus N2 by PI is equal to PC, LCM, PC, N2 minus N1. Equation 4, students. Equation 4. Equation 4, N1 by PO plus N2 by PI is equal to N2 minus N1 by PC is equal to equation 4. Right, here see students, already you know students, previous class I told you, using sign conversion, here see PO is equal to, PO year to year, PO is equal to minus U. Students, minus U. Next to, PI is equal to, PI is equal to V. U means already you know students, object distance, V, image distance. Next PC is equal to R. Here see, PC is equal to R. PC is equal to R. Students, next to, substituting. Values here substituting students. N1 by PO means here see, minus U plus N2 by PI, student V. Next to, N2 minus N1 by PC how much? R. Okay, here write down N2 by V minus N1 by U is equal to N2 minus N1 by R. This is equation 5. N2 by V minus N1 by U is equal to N2 minus N1 by R. Equation 5. This is the required relation for curved surface formula. Okay students, thank you for watching. This is Satyanarayana signing off.